Hello and welcome to Norton Way Nissan. My name is Ben and I'm currently standing in our brand new showroom. Today I'm going to take you through our all new design lab and how you can build your perfect Nissan. The new Nissan range has numerous exterior colours, interior options, design packs and accessories, meaning you can truly make your Nissan your own. The first stage is to pick your vehicle. Simply using the touchpad you can scroll through the different options and select configure your Nissan for the one you want to go for. Once you've selected your vehicle, the different grades can come up on the screen. So you can go through the different options by looking through the main features of each vehicle and the from price. Once you've made your selection, simply hit select and move on to selecting your engine. On the engines you can pick which type of fuel you want and then review your selection on its MPG, its CO2 emissions and the amount of power from that engine. Again, once you've made your choice, hit select and you've decided on your vehicle. Moving on to colours. Once you've hit colours, the different options that are available in that car appear on screen. Again, you can review them and make your choice. I'm going to go for energy orange. You can then look at the actual colour on the Design Lab board and check how it looks in the flesh. 60 different colours are available to view on the wall, but please be aware only certain models have certain colours. You can then add exterior personalisation packs to some models. Again, select that section and then you can review the different choices that are available on the model and again add the one that you want to go for. Once you've confirmed it, it will appear on the screen. Once you've decided on the exterior, you can move on to the interior. Again, select the option and view the different variants that are available. The different interior options are also available in the Design Lab. Again, you can touch and feel which one you like. You can also select interior personalisation packs on some models. For example, the Micra has 3 different colour options that are available on the interior. Once you've selected your option, you can see how it looks. Once you've decided on your interior and exterior, you can add Nissan genuine accessories onto your vehicle to tailor it to your needs. These include different cosmetic options, practicality, style and luggage solutions. Again, if you want to add any onto your vehicle, simply press add. The last step is to view your configuration. This brings up a summary page where you can review all the different options you've picked and double check that you're happy. It will also show you the total price of all the options and the model overall. If you have any further questions, our team of experts are on hand. Why don't you grab a coffee and review your options with one of them. Thanks for watching. Why don't you come down and check out the new Design Lab, and if you have any further questions, our team of sales experts will be on hand to help you.